All right, thanks for watching. This is part 2 of a video where I'm testing the lights and the switch. And here's the switch right here. I covered up the light. There's a red light, so when it's not on, the red light's on, and then when it's on, the green light is on. However, I covered up the red light because I don't want it bothering me, distracting me. And this stuff right here, if you look right here, this rubber stuff, I rubberized all the nuts with this plastic dip stuff right here. And if you look down here, I did the same thing with the lights and then nuts and bolts that hold these driving lights. So just an FYI, because I'm product testing these lights. So far I'm pretty impressed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in part 3 after I've tested them for a while. Thanks for watching.